So, the mailman came and brought me some new cameras. I don't know which cameras are inside here, but normally when I order cameras from eBay, I always test them, like in a fast way. So let's have a look. But I ordered point and shoots, that's sure. Okay, thanks for the nice packaging, because I can reuse this. And this is, oh, not a point and shoot, Canon T50. Yeah, just with program modes, but I think that's okay. And I bought this for, I think, how much was it? Not so much, but I didn't bought the camera this because of the camera. I bought it for the lens because it was quite cheap. So I bought all of this for 30 euros. So like this, the lens only is about the same price. So let's have a look. I can see any fungus here. Bit dirty, tasty, but that's not bad. I have so many Canon A1s and A1 programs, and I need so many FD lenses for them. So, but I want to have a look if the camera works. Battery compartment looks clean. There's a sound, but yeah. Nothing happens. Not so good. But I don't know how the camera works. I've never had a T50 camera. I don't care. Maybe the battery is low. The only important thing is that the lens works. Yeah, I think that's looks pretty fine. Focusing ring goes smoothly. Perfect. Another lens for cheap. So let's have a look at the next parcel. I think here's a Canon point and shoot. I need so much from this stuff every day. Parcels going in, parcels going out every day. Okay, nice leather red bag, and it's a Canon Prima Zoom 70F. Oh, nice. It has this clamshell design like the Mew. Okay. I think the zoom doesn't work. Did I buy this camera as working? Yes. Voll funktionsfähig. For 25 euros. This one. Okay. Is there film still inside? No. Double zoom. Okay. I bet it's a CR 123A battery. Probably. Oh, just look at the back like the. Yeah, that's bad. Like this shit here that comes off. Here, the leather red. Something for the trash. Let's. Got some Panasonic batteries. They're new. And now. Yes, seems to work fine. Looks good. Yeah, super. I love it how the flash comes out. Stress test. Yeah. Seems to be okay. Nice little camera. Something to test in the near future. So that was it for today. Subscribe, buy my cameras. I need money.